Ever feel like you're juggling a dozen different financial tools for your business, wishing they could just talk to each other? Specifically, if you're a Relay Bank user looking to harness the power of Stripe for payments, you've probably asked yourself, how do I bridge this gap and create a seamless financial flow? Well, you're in the right place. Integrating your Relay Bank account with Stripe is a crucial step for many businesses, streamlining everything from receiving payments to managing your finances in one cohesive ecosystem. It eliminates the manual back and forth, reduces the risk of errors, and ultimately saves you valuable time and energy. Think about it. You're running an online store, a subscription service, or perhaps you're sending invoices to clients. Stripe is likely your go-to platform for securely processing those payments. Now, wouldn't it be fantastic if those funds could flow directly into your Relay Bank account without you having to lift a finger beyond the initial setup? That's precisely what we're going to explore today. Before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch upon the why. Why bother connecting Relay Bank and Stripe in the first place? The benefits are numerous. Simplified reconciliation. Automatically track your Stripe payouts directly within your Relay Bank statements. No more manual cross-referencing of transactions. Faster access to funds. While Stripe has its own payout schedules, linking your Relay Bank account ensures that when those payouts occur, the funds land directly in your business bank account, ready for you to use. Centralized financial overview. Having your payment processing and banking connected provides a clearer, more holistic view of your business's financial health. Reduced errors. Automating the flow of funds minimizes the potential for manual data entry errors, ensuring accuracy in your financial records. Efficiency gains. Spend less time on administrative tasks related to payment processing and more time focusing on growing your business. Now that we understand the advantages, let's get down to the step-by-step process of connecting your Relay Bank account to Stripe. It's a relatively straightforward process, but attention to detail is key to ensure a smooth and successful integration. Step 1. Access your Stripe dashboard. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Stripe account. Head over to the Stripe website and enter your email address and password to access your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your Stripe account. Step 2. Navigate to bank accounts and payout settings. Once you're logged in, look for the settings option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it. Within the settings menu, you'll find various configuration options for your Stripe account. Scroll down or look for a section related to business settings or account settings. Within this section, you should find an option for bank accounts and payouts or something similar. Click on this option. Step 3. Add a new bank account. On the Bank Accounts and Payouts page, you'll likely see a list of any bank accounts you've already connected to your Stripe account. To add your Relay Bank account, look for a button that says Add Bank Account, Add New Payout Destination, or something along those lines. Click on this button. Step 4. Enter your Relay Bank account details. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your bank account information. This is where accuracy is crucial. You'll typically need the following details for your Relay Bank account. Account holder name. This should be the legal name of your business or your personal name if you're operating as a sole proprietor. Ensure it matches the name associated with your Relay Bank account. Account number. This is your specific bank account number for your Relay Bank account. Double-check this number to avoid any errors. Routing number. ABA routing number. This is a 9-digit code that identifies your bank. You can usually find Relay Bank's routing number on their website, on your checks, or by contacting their customer support. Make sure you enter the correct routing number for electronic transfers, ACH. Stripe might also ask for the account type, checking or savings. Select the appropriate option based on the type of Relay Bank account you want to connect. Step 5. Verification process, if required. For security reasons, Stripe may require you to verify your bank account. This often involves one of two methods. Instant verification. Stripe might use a third-party service to instantly verify your bank account details by asking you to log into your online banking portal through a secure interface. If this option is available, it's usually the quickest way to verify your account. Microdeposits. Stripe might send 2 small deposits, usually a few cents each, to your Relay bank account. You'll then need to log into your Relay bank account, note the exact amounts of these deposits, and enter them into your Stripe dashboard to confirm your account. This process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Stripe to complete the verification process if it's required. Step 6. Set as default payout destination, optional but recommended. Once your Relay bank account is successfully added and verified, you'll likely have the option to set it as your default payout destination. This means that all future payouts from your Stripe account will automatically be sent to this Relay bank account. Setting it as the default streamlines the process and ensures that your funds consistently go to the correct place. Step 7. Review and save. Before you finalize the process, take a moment to review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Double-check the account number and routing number especially. Once you're confident that everything is correct, click the Save or Add Bank Account button. Troubleshooting common issues. While the process is generally smooth, you might encounter a few common issues. Here's how to troubleshoot them. Incorrect bank details. The most common issue is entering the wrong account number or routing number. Double-check these details carefully. If you've made a mistake, you might need to remove the incorrect bank account and add it again with the correct information. Verification issues. If you're having trouble with the microdeposit verification, ensure you're entering the exact amount Stripe sent. Allow a few business days for the deposits to appear in your Relay bank account. If you're using instant verification and it's not working, you might need to try the microdeposit method or contact Stripe support. Account holder name mismatch. The name on your Stripe account should ideally match the name on your Relay bank account. If there's a significant mismatch, Stripe might have trouble verifying the account. Contact Stripe support if this is the case. Bank not supported. Rare. While Relay Bank is a legitimate financial institution, in rare cases, there might be temporary technical issues or specific account types that Stripe doesn't fully support. If you encounter this, reach out to both Stripe and Relay Bank support to inquire. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.